H05V-K cable is PVC hookup wire that meets European harmonized standards. It's used for the internal wiring of appliances, switchboards, distributor boards, and telecommunication devices. Designed to be used in equipment made for export to Europe, it's also recommended as an MRO replacement for European-made equipment wire. H05V-K hookup wire is available in sizes 20 gauge to 17 gauge. It's constructed with a finely stranded bare copper conductor and PVC insulation. It's tri-rated from 300 to 500 volts and has a testing voltage of up to 2000 volts. H05V-K cable has a flexing temperature range of 5 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, but it can withstand temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius when static. In addition to harmonized approval, H05V-K wire meets other European standards such as VDE 0281. It's also CE marked and RoHS compliant. For more information on these parts and others, or to submit orders and RFQs online, visit www.awcwire.com.